ஸ்டார்ட் ஸ்ட்ரீம்.
அது வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் இந்த லிங்க்கை.
என்ன சொல்லிக் கொடுங்க லிங்க் வந்து இதில் நம்ம கனெக்ஷனை பார்த்துட்டு எத்தனை பேர்னு பார்த்துட்டு கூட.
இல்லை நீங்கள் இதுக்கு ஒரு பேக்கப் வச்சுக்கலாம், நம்ம அங்கே யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்க முடியாது, அதனால் சொல்கிறேன். லிங்க் அனுப்பிச்சி விட்ருங்க எனக்கு. நம்ம டெக் ப்ரொமோஷன்லேயே போட்டுருங்க. அனுப்பிச்சிட்டிங்களா?
ஜாக்டெக்
அது என்னோட எடுக்கலாம்ல என்ன போய்?
இல்லை எனக்கு வரும்.
ஜாக்டெக்னு கொடுங்க. டைம் 9:59 ஆயிடுச்சு.
லைவ்
ஹாய். சவுண்ட் வரல, மியூட் பண்ணி, அதனால் நம்ம இங்கே மியூட் பண்ணிட்டோம்ல.
கூகுள் மீட்டில் தான் மியூட்.
ஆமாம். எப்படி சவுண்டு?
நம்ம இங்கே மியூட் பண்ணிட்டோம்ல. கூகுள் மீட்டில் தான் மியூட். ஆமாம்.
எப்படி அது?
ஓபிஎஸ்.
சரி, அந்த லிங்க் ஒரு நிமிஷம் லிங்க் அனுப்பிச்சிக்கிறேன்.
தனியாக அந்த ப்ளீஸ் இந்த லிங்க் குரூப்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
ஆமாம், டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுல.
நம்ம நீங்கள் குரூப்பில் நான் தனியாக போட்டுருன்னு நினச்சேன்.
இல்லைங்க கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சுடுங்க.
நம்ம அது இதில் இருக்குது.
இல்லை லிங்க்கு யூடியூப் லிங்க் இல்லை அதில். சார் லிங்க்குன்னு கேட்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க எல்லோரும். எனக்கு இது அனுப்பிச்சுடுங்க. எனக்கு இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் இப்படி நீங்கள் ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
நம்ம ஜாக்டெக்கில் இருக்குது, அப்படி காப்பி பண்ணி போட்டுருங்க. காப்பி லிங்க். இல்லைங்க, நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்படியே போட்டுறேன், அதை போட்டுருங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புகிறேன்.
மானிட்டைசேஷன் எனேபிள் ஆகலை பாருங்கள், அதை எனேபிள் பண்ணி விடணும். ஹவு டு ஜாயின் கேட்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, குரூப்பில் போட்டுறாங்க லிங்க்கு.
லிங்கு காப்பி பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? அது போட்டுருங்க. அதுக்குள்ளே இதை அனுப்புகிறேன்.
அது இருக்கு
சார்,
அது வேணுமா?
இந்த மெசேஜ் நேற்று இது காப்பி பேஸ்ட் போட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் போட்டுருங்க.
போட்டு
இதையும் போட்டுட்டு ஸ்டார்ட்னு போட்டு.
இது இருக்கு,
இது தனியாக ரெடி பண்ணது.
இல்லை அது வேணுமா?
காப்பி பேஸ்ட் போட்டு
இது 2 லிங்க் போனால் அவங்க கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிடுவாங்களா? இல்லை போட்டுடலாமா? நான் இப்போ யூடியூப் லிங்க் போட்டேன் லைவ்.
இது கூகுள் மீட்டும் போட்டுக்கலாம். உங்கள் இதில் அப்படி காப்பி பேஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு
எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சுடுங்க.
அனுப்பிச்சிட்டேன். ஜாக்டெக்கில் இருக்கு.
இதா? சைலண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க ஃபோன்.
பண்ண இது இல்லை, அட்மின் இல்லை. ஒரு குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லிடுங்க. we can start in another 2 minutes சொல்லிடுங்க. குட் மார்னிங், we can start in another 2 minutes.
ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. Good morning everyone. This is Professor Jak. Hope you all are fine out there, and we will start the session in another 2 minutes. Please wait, and few participants need to join in this session. We are waiting for that. Another 2 minutes we will start. லைட் மட்டும் சொதப்பிருச்சு விக்கி. இருங்க, நீங்கள் அதில் அந்த அட்மிட் கொடுத்துருங்க, அது பின் கொடுத்துருங்க விக்கி. ஒரு நிமிஷம், அதுக்கு மெசேஜ் பின் பண்ணி வச்சிடலாம்.
Good morning, sir.
இப்போ மற்றவங்கள ஆல் மியூட். ஆல் மியூட் பண்ண முடியாதுங்க, உங்களுக்கு வைப்ரேட் ஆகுது.
குடியிருப்பு கிராமத்தில் அருள் பாலித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும்
நோய் பேசிட்டு நீங்கள் அட்மிட் பண்ணிடுங்க. இப்போ நீங்கள் பேசும்போது நான் அட்மிட் பண்ணுறேன். வாய்ஸ் லெஸ் ஆகும். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாமா?
One minute.
எங்கே இருக்குது ஜிமீட்? இதான். இது ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாமா? இது வேண்டாம், இருக்கட்டுமா?
அது போச்சுன்னா second.
நீங்கள் காமிக்கிறதா? டைம் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு.
It will start.
ஒரு நிமிஷம். Hi, this is Jagdish, assistant professor in a reputed institution, and actually I have been called as a Professor Jack by students, and this is my actual name. As now it's actually a Professor Jack only, and I along with my friend Tech Mentor Vigneshwaran going to have another 60 minutes with you. I hope this session would be useful for you, and if you have any queries and suggestions, you can post it out in the WhatsApp group or in the feedback form that immediately will be shared after the session. So let us start our session, right? So let me ask our tech mentor Vicky also to introduce about himself.
Hello, good morning everyone. So happy to get you all here in this meeting. And so I'm Vigneshwaran. So I'll be like guiding you this 1 hour session, like how to prepare placement using AI tools. So welcome you all for the session. And so you can check, is our audio is clear? So you can check and tell us like if the audio is clear or not.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, Ma, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, fine. So let us start our session. So this is full screen. So includes full screen. Okay, so the webinar is planned for to how to crack the placements in without any human assistance. That means you could see when you are in a final year or third year in college provides you some training by the institution, right? Some other third party institutions and like that, so and so, and you will be getting trained. So without any assistance, having some basic knowledge how to crack the placements effectively through AI tools, by using AI tools, that is the main objective of this webinar, right? Okay, so let's actually the thing is, first we have to know what are the primary things we supposed to have when we are appearing for the placements. So for a placement, the very first eligibility is your resume. Okay, so resume is here now. Nowadays the resume must be in a one side, I mean only one page resume is needed, required by the many MNC companies, right? Even software company or core companies, whatever it may be, one page resume is very very important one. After that, when I mean your resume is scrutinized, then that will be given to the next thing. That is, after that you will have a maybe a that is aptitude round, that is a wiki, or what you are you know very well that that verbal quants, reasoning and everything, right, etc. Then after the scrutiny, so the quantitative aptitude is a very biggest task in the placement scenario. Even when I was studying in my BEEC year 2007, I also faced the same thing. So that is a main thing that MNCs looking for the peoples who clears the aptitude round. So aptitude round is a very very important one, and you have to be clear in that. Then after that, after you getting into this clearing the aptitude round, you immediately have a HR round. Sorry, group discussion round. So group discussion, you know very well that you will be asked to sit in a particular place with different peoples, and they will straight away give the topics, and they will ask you to speak. So here you have to speak, and they will select according to your not only the communication, your attitude, and how your gestures will be, how your posture, and how you are talking, whether you are talking casually or more formally, like that, everything they will see. So this is about the group discussion. And once you clear the group discussion, next session will be a technical round. So if you are attending the industry oriented, that is IT industry oriented, means what are the things. So you might have received the job description of the company which you are attending. So that job, according to the job description, what the role you are applying, for that role, what the tools you require, that you have to study. That's a technical question. And sometimes maybe in technical itself they ask some few questions about yourself, like and all will happen, but majority of the people will ask the technical background only. Okay, so that's about technical. And finally HR round, human resource round. So in human resource, if you come to the HR round, means almost you are selected for the interview, right? So that's the main thing. So in human resource HR interview, they will ask not technically, sometimes they may ask a technical question, but the main focus of the HR round is to analyze your attitude, how your attitude is, how your behavior is. They will tell you, so for example, they will ask you, why should I hire you to my MNC company? Like that, some critical question they will ask, and what are the expecting salary for you? Like that and all, if they will ask. So because, not because to hurt you, but in being in that position, how you are reacting, that they will check. So these are all the rounds in any MNCs or core companies. If you look at that, these are all the placement rounds would be happen, right? So let us start immediately, because since we have a less time, 1 hour only. So let us start from resume. So resume, I said, that's the first round. So first thing, you have to prepare your resume. So for resume, you have to you have many tools you could know, but in specifically the Canva tool, you know, right? The Canva is the best tool to prepare the one page resume. That I shared my video, YouTube channel video also with you in a group. But even though I will show you how to do the one page resume in the Canva, right? So just to open Canva website, Canva. Hope you are seeing. Can anyone acknowledge? Hope you are seeing this page.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So this is the Canva page. I am a premium member actually here. So no need of such. I think it is loading, and wait a moment. So I'm giving credentials. So that so these are all the thing you know. So Canva is very famous and very popular among the students and as well as the industries and the universities and colleges like. So no need of giving the elaborate explanation needed for the Canva. Okay, so straight away I will go to the how to check with. Let's try another way. So viewers, you will please wait for a while. Close this one. Yeah, it's this is the dashboard of Canva. You all know, right? This is the dashboard, right? Then when you look at the left side, left top, you have create option, right? Plus option. You click on that. So when you click on that again, the new space workspace will becomes here. Hi, and here you can choose any kind of. I mean, here you have so much of options is there like education sheets, documents, whiteboards, presentation, social media, even Instagram stories, reels, and all you can make in the use of Canva. That and all I have posted in my jaktech channel. Also, you can, if you have a time, you can look at those things. And here you can customize size. Also, you can give, right. So just I'm taking one size. So like that education purpose I choose. Okay, so education purpose it shows some like education presentation, education video landscape, education infography, then Google Classroom header. Like this there are several things they are showing. I'm just choosing classroom poster, right. So classroom poster I'm choosing to design the one page resume. Okay, so likewise you can choose. And see when it will open the new window and it will show the size. This is the size where you have to customize your resume one page. So all those things must be in a resume only. See your photo and I mean what are the skills, technical skills, and what is your strength, weakness, project done. So everything you have to specify in only one page. So it must be a most important thing is I won the first prize in the quiz competition. That and all not needed. So that must be a remarkable one. Your achievement must be a remarkable one. If you do not have anything, then you can proceed. But if you have a remarkable achievement, that you have to highlight the very first. Then gradually you can at the bottom of that particular heading you can mention some other things. Okay, you immediately when you specify I am the first rank holder in the class, like that you specify, that don't give a much sense, right, to the people who is looking for the job from you, right. So here you can see there is search option. You can search one page resume. Okay, choose that one. So there are several designs here. You can choose several designs. So it is coming, right. So let me choose this one. Okay, so this is the one page resume. You can customize also. So if you do not want this style, you delete one, or else control z means it will come. So same thing. So if you need to add a text here, you click on the text. Okay, so text means you can add the text here. Okay, like see the text is adding, right. So you can increase the text size also. Okay, so likewise you can do any modifications. So like see how it is doing. Okay, so where you can fix your photo. For fix the photo you can go for uploads. Okay, uploads, there are several photos I am having in already. So I am just taking one photo like this photo I am taking, right. So when you take this, the photo will come here, and you can keep your name. And everything, your identity, your LinkedIn profile, Gmail, GitHub, everything you can share here. And below that you can share your academic experience, your objective, and your skills, domain, what is the area of interest, and project undergone, and internship, in-plan training, These and all you can specify, and language known is a very important thing, that also you can mention, that is speaking and writing and reading, every habit, what are the things you are having, you can specify, and and at the end of the space you have to give the declaration. That means everything which is given in this resume, that I acknowledge it is a true to my knowledge, and you have to sign. When you are giving to the resume to one person in front of you, you have to sign that, you have to put your sign, and you have to give. That is the thing. But anyhow, we actually this process and all, now it is digitalized, so the straight away we can share this your one page resume to the people, mail ID, MNC people, HR mail IDs. So from that they will scrutinize. And here one more point you have to see. For example, if you are looking for the job in Accenture, the people seeking that is C programming, okay, but your resume does not contain anywhere as you are good in C program. That means the MNC company will have one software, that is ATS, that is application tracking system. That ATS software will check your resume whether this profile which match for our requirement. So appropriate keywords you must use. For else, if you are a embedded you are looking for a embedded engineer job, then nowhere you mention your embedded, I'm very good in embedded systems, so and so projects I have completed, like that you mention means, then the ATS software will select your resume and it will be sent to the next round. But if you are a embedded person, knowledge in embedded, but you have not mentioned in your resume, means that is no way, that has no purpose. So ATS you must understand. So the appropriate keyword, what's the job role you are applying, what company it is, what is the company revenue, what's the when the company was started, that and all you have to look into one. That only will helpful for the your resume selection. Okay, so manually, so in some places manually they are checking your resume, but in very big companies like MNCs, CTS, Accenture, Infosys, like so and so, those companies are using the ATS software to scrutinize your resume. Okay, so this is a very important thing. So you can, so I will share the resumes, some resumes in the group, then you can check it out. So after designing everything your resume, you can go to the share here and you can download. Okay, download either PDF, PNG format is there, JPEG format, PDF, whatever thing you can suggest. So I'm just downloading by JPEG format. So download will happen. Okay, and since we have a less time, we will talk, and if you have any query after the session over, we will open our group, the WhatsApp group, to all. You can share your feedbacks or your questions through voice note, not text message, to voice note. It will be active only for half an hour, then admin only will be the rights after, as of now admin only writes those. Again same thing will happen, right? So you can share your views there, your questions, not now, because now there is no time here, right? So that's why. So your design is ready, and I'm opening the design. You can see the design, see. So this is your one page. See, I just shown the template how to choose, and the design and everything is your opinion. So your interest, based on your interest, you can choose any template, right? And even the template which has the things like lines or some dots or diagrams, you can remove also. Okay, so that and all, these are all about the first round, that is a resume making. Hope you understood the resume making, right? So next, straight away we can go for next one is aptitude, technical reasoning and everything. That sir, our tech mentor sir, Vigneshwaran sir will take care. Technical stuff. Then group discussion. Aptitude technical. Check whether audio video is visible.
Hello everyone. So Sir told you how to prepare a resume, okay? And you have seen like how to use templates, okay? You'll also have a templates there. You can also use a template which is available in your Canva. For example, if you search for a resume, you'll get a template. So you can just edit that also. That also will be an added point for you, okay? And now what you can do is you can go for a I will show you the important thing is like aptitude, right? VQAR is very important when you take any placement drive in MNC. Okay, and so it will be like you need to prepare that, and for preparing that we have prepared a document for you, and the document will have like all the placement questions. So I will show you, so you can able to see this.
Gmail,
Mm.
allow them, admit all.
Okay, ma'am. So you see, like for VQR preparation or for technical round preparation, so like you have like a so when you apply for a job role, okay, when you apply for a job role, so these are the like top paying engineering jobs. All these are the top paying engineering jobs. You see, data science and artificial intelligence is currently the number one, and you see the average salary is 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Average salary for data science, artificial intelligence, 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. This is an average salary. Like a maximum salary will be higher. And computer science engineer, and electronics and communication engineer, petroleum engineer, mechanical engineer, for all this for all this field, okay, for all this are the top paying engineering jobs. And the job roles, like when you apply for a job roles, when you apply for a job, you will be by seeing a job role only, you will be applying for a job, okay? And you see like there will be a job role like software engineer, data scientist, data engineer, full stack developer. All these are different job roles. Based on this, your resume preparation also should be there. If you're applying for a software engineer role, your resume should have like all the keywords which is necessary for a software engineering. You can take any AI tools. For example, you can take a Copilot or you can take a Gemini AI tool. So you can search the keywords for software engineer. You can search the keywords that can be added in a resume for a software engineer. For example, you can take a Copilot or Gemini. I'll take a Copilot here. Microsoft Copilot. You can give the prompt either in a text, or you can also use your voice as an input. Let me use voice as an input here. If you are using a Microsoft Edge, your Copilot is inbuilt with Microsoft Edge. In the right side, you can see there is a Microsoft Edge. And one more second, if any students are waiting, we can let. Okay, so let us assume that you are a software engineer, okay, and you are applying for a software engineering role. Okay, you might be like when you're a fresher, you'll be applying for multiple roles. Okay, only when you get into the company, you'll be becoming a software engineer or a data scientist or data engineer. So when you're a fresher, you can apply for. So you'll be preparing from first year. From second year, you'll be starting like from the second year, you'll be starting. I need to become a full stack developer. I need to become a data scientist. I need to become a data engineer, right? So if you're a full stack developer, you need to know web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? So if you're a data engineer, you should know like SQL, MySQL. So based on that, you'll be preparing. And when you're a fresher, you can apply for any role. Okay, you'll be like a so you should prepare like if you're planning for a software engineer, your preparation will be towards software engineer. If you're planning for a data scientist, you'll be preparing for a data scientist. And basically like when you're a fresher, when you're applying for a job, okay, we can say like you're getting a placement through your college. So they'll be bringing you some top companies like Accenture, okay, HP, Infosys, we can say like CTS, or any top companies. They'll be training you. Okay, for example, if the first company is on CTS, okay, you'll be in college. They'll be providing you a training on CTS, like what are the important questions there, okay, what are the questions will be asked in a VQ, or what are the questions will be asked in a technical round. All this training will be provided to you, so that will be useful for you. Along with that, what you can do is you can also use AI tools. Here you see, if you are going to apply for a, we can say like software engineer role. So just take this software engineer role, copy this. You can add this prompt in a Copilot, and you can ask for a keywords to be added in a resume, to be added in your resume. So when you do this, like based on the job role, you can take a keywords and you can use those keywords in your resume. Okay, you can use those keywords in your resume either in a project. Okay, you would have done a project where you used to flowchart tools. Okay, and you'll be using those tools like Drive, any role. Okay, you are a data scientist or data engineer, you'll be using a GitHub. Okay, you can also add, like when you submit your project, when you highlight your project, you can also give a GitHub link of your project, right? If you're a software, like if you're using CSE, if you're a CSE student, or like any students now, they're doing coding. Even if a mechanical engineer, you'll be working on programming, right? And same way, like you'll be having like a courses, you'll do additional courses in programming, so you'll be using a GitHub. So using a GitHub, what you can do, you can provide your project link there in your resume. You can able to provide your project link. And this object oriented programming, data structure algorithm, okay, all these are keywords. When you're applying for a software engineer role, you should have this keywords in your resume. Okay, and for preparation, for a technical round preparation or for VQR preparation, so for VQR we have like all the top companies, the question, we can say like this is a question bank, like important questions, previously asked questions are available here. I will show you that. So you see this is a TCS. I'll just open and show you this. TCS, CTS, all the top companies, like we made a research, and I'll just open this TCS and show you. When you open this TCS, you'll be having like all the previous year questions. We can say like previous. I'll just show you one question here. So you see, all these are previous year questions you have along with the answers, right? And like you can use chat. If you just take this question, if you put in any AI tools like ChatGPT, okay, Gemini, okay, you'll be getting solution for this. Answer is available here. You can just copy this questions, you can put in a Gemini or a ChatGPT, right, Copilot, so it will provide you solutions.
And along with sir, I tell you, just like the answer it will not give. If you give the prompt, correct prompt, just break down the step by step, then it will show how to solve the problem. Even chat GPT or any number of AIs are there that you can select, and you can have an answer with the steps how the answers came, like that you can see. But the thing is, here the TCS, HCL, Infosys, Accenture, like so and so companies, questions banks, already we have an experience, so much of your experience. We were in placement coordinator in our institution, and also we are the people of middle scale industries. We are the recruiters. We are one of the recruiters, selection committee member. So we know how the questions, technical questions, would be asked in technical, in core company, and as well as the IT domains. So these are all the questions where the companies were asking. So only thing you have to do is you have to practice with the any chat GPT. So many, so all the AIs will do that. By only giving the correct prompt, the prompt you have to give. If you tell the AI to give the answer now, that will show the 18 as answer. But if you ask the AI to solve this problem step by step and show the result now, that will solve the problem step by step, and you can able to understand how it has been solved. So that's the way you have to give. So that's the key, that's the very important. So how you are extracting the AI is very, very important. That is called as a prompt. That prompt is very important. That is an English word, instruction. So to deal with this one, that is called a prompt engineering. The prompt engineering, anyhow, you have to study. So the prompt is engineering, whoever very well in English, they can able to extract the answers from the extract the work from AI. This is obvious. So this literally it will happen in future. So you keep it in mind. The prompt engineering is play a vital role. The people who do not know about how to give the prompt, how to ask the questions, how to extract the work from AI, then he or she will not survive in this society. Literally, I am speaking.
Yes. So as I saw, sir told, okay, you should give a proper prompt, right? And here, if you can just copy paste this question, and if the question is like, if you can't able to copy paste, okay, if the question is like a image document, what you can do is you'll be having a tools. You can add this extension. This extension is available in a Chrome or any browser you are using. You see there's an optical character recognition. So this is also artificial intelligence, right? You see like a color picker, and you see there's optical character recognition. I will show you that. Copy fish. When you do this, okay, even if the questions is in an image format where you can't able to drag and copy, if it is a PDF or if it is a Word document, you can able to drag and copy that. So you can use this AI tool. Okay, this is like a OCR, optical character recognition, that can able to convert a image in a text format, image in a image format to a text format. Okay, and you just drag the question. If you drag this question, this image will be converted to text. The text, then you can take this text, you can just copy this, you can give this text in a Copilot, or you can put this text in a Gemini, and you'll be getting a solution. You can ask for a step-by-step solution, it will provide you the solution for this. So this tool will be very useful for you, and it is an extension. So just if you see, there's an option to add extension. Here you can see there's an extension. So when you take any browser, it can be a Chrome browser, it can be a Microsoft Edge browser, or Firefox browser, you see there's a extension option here. So if you click this extension, and from this extension, it will show all the extension. Okay, so if you do like a get extensions for Microsoft Edge, in the bottom you see it shows like a get extension for Microsoft Edge. You just open this, and you can search for a copyfish OCR software, free OCR software. This will be helpful. If the questions are in the image format, it will be helpful for you to copy it, and you can convert this image format to text format, right? And you can put this in a Copilot Gemini, and you can extract answer from this. So all these questions are available here. You can go through this, right? For all top companies, we have provided you this materials. You can go through the materials. We'll be sharing you after the session. We'll be sharing all these materials to you, right? And for technical round preparation, so if you're applying for a software role, or let me say like I'm going to apply for a full stack development role, copy this. Okay, and otherwise you can, I will show you an AI tool usage. We can use a Copilot now. I'll open this Copilot, and here if you are going to interact with the Copilot instead of typing, okay, if you need to interact like another person in front of you, what you can do is you can choose this option. So talk to Copilot, there is an option like talk to Copilot. When you click on this, you can able to literally talk to the Copilot. I'll just do this. Yes, so when I do this, yeah, it greet you, right? It says hi Vigneshwaran. Then what you can do is, then you can ask AI assistants. You can ask this Copilot assistants, hi Copilot.
Hey, how can I assist you today?
Okay, so I'm just going to apply for a full stack developer role. So can you show me some important questions which can be asked in a technical round? Can you tell me like what are the important questions that can be asked in a technical round, in a technical HR round?
Sure. In a technical HR round, they might ask about your experience with various programming languages, how you handled
So you can see it gives you this response, right? It gives you the response.
debugging or your approach to version
Okay, ma'am. So it provides it will provide you the response, and you can ask you can request this AI. Okay, you can ask this AI like it can act as an interviewer. So you can ask the like after you prepare, like it will give you some answers. Like you can search in Gemini in Copilot, you can search for the questions, important interview questions. You can prepare that, and you can ask this Copilot. Okay, ask me questions. I'll provide answers, and you can ask the Copilot to evaluate your answers. So this will be useful for your technical round preparation, and using this Copilot tool being in a group discussion also. So our Jagadish sir will guide you on this.
And you also speak on this part. Admit. Video. And as techmentorvicky has said, so the group discussion comes into the picture now. So as for group discussion, actually we need peoples for discussing, right? So you will be sitting one among the other peoples, and you will be straight away given with the own topic, and you have to talk, and they will evaluate. That I said already. So let us demonstration how the AI will act as one crew member, and we can speak with that. So that will looks like a one group discussion, virtual group discussion. So that way you can practice. Let us see that one. And you just click the copilot and it will take some moment. It shows one moment, and see, based on your net connectivity and everything, and the web traffic, it will act, or else